This video is an instruction guide for logging into and using eTutoring. This is a site that will allow you to receive tutoring support for your courses in spring quarter. All tutoring will be online, so this is how you will access that tutoring. There are two ways to log into eTutoring. The first is from the Olympic College main page, as you can see here. If you head over to Services, at the very bottom you will find Tutoring. Click on that. And that is the eTutoring link. The other way to log in is to just type that directly into your bar up here. From here, this is the Olympic College page. Click Log In. These instructions are accurate to logging in for your first, for returning students who are enrolled in winter quarter. You will use your old student ID number, generally starting with 860. For new students, you will need to contact me, Nadine Hayes, directly to get your account created, unfortunately. Please send me that email. I will respond to it very quickly. Once you have your account set up, you'll enter your username. I'm going to use a fake student here to show you how this works. If you have logged in previously and set your password, feel free to use your previous information. If you're brand new, you've never logged in before, but have been an old student, your password will be the word tutor with a capital T, followed by the last 4 digits of your student ID number, so whatever that is. For brand new students that this is their first quarter, you'll get the ability to set your password when your account is created. So for your very first login, you'll be asked to fill out information about who you are. You're not required to complete much beyond your name, but feel free to do that. Once you're logged in, this is what you will see. This is the home page for eTutoring. Hopefully your name will be up there. You will see a lot of information. I strongly encourage that you turn the sound on for your microphone and your speakers, because under these subjects that are over here are all live tutors who will try to talk to you directly. But this is what you're going to see when you come into eTutoring. You have a few choices. You have your home page. This just lists everything. This box here, the Tutors Online now, these are the tutors who are currently waiting for students. As you can see, this tutor is an accounting tutor who is currently working with 1 student. This is a Spanish tutor, also only working with 1 student. And you can click on their name and work with them on that subject. Oh, as you can see, Anna's student just left. If you're looking for other subjects, say you're looking for a math tutor, this will give you the day's schedule of when a particular tutor is available. So if you'll notice, there's a lot of math tutors available that you can come see, whichever fits your schedule. Additionally, you have a View eTutor schedule here. So if you click on that, you'll get a list that you can pick. Say you don't want to, you're looking to get tutoring on Saturday. You can click the Saturday's date and see. So it gives you this column here will give you the week, or you could pick a particular subject and see when tutors are available for that subject. So you have a lot of choices. These are live tutors. These are tutors that will be able to speak with you directly through your computer. That's why they ask that you keep your sound on so you can talk with them directly and ask questions. Go back home here. In addition to this, to those live tutors here, note these are Pacific Standard Times. So if you are logging in from somewhere outside of the West Coast, keep that in mind. We also have our writing lab. This is a drop box for papers. This box here will tell you exactly, give you some idea of how long the response time is. You simply submit a paper, including any information you feel will be helpful. Go into the submit a paper, you'll see you have information, which course, the subject, instructor's name, titles, descriptions of your assignments. This is a really useful piece. If you have from your Canvas class or online materials the actual written document from your instructor, you have the assignment, feel free to upload this. This allows the tutor to know exactly what you've been asked to do, what kind of citation you need to use, and if you have any specific areas or questions you would like to answer. So you can fill this out and submit your assignment. Make sure you do upload it. Right now, it looks like we are looking at 24-hour turnaround. This can change, so keep an eye on this. It'll tell you when to expect response from your tutor. The last option here for tutoring is the e-question. This will send an email. We'll go into the post an e-question. This will send an email to a tutor, say you want help with Spanish. It allows you to send an email to the next Spanish instructor who's working, and they will respond to you with that as soon as they are available. So this is not synchronous. It's just emailing a tutor. The last thing I want to draw your attention to is our resources here. This is additional site areas that tutors have found while working the site to give you help. Perhaps you want to look at some information about chemistry. Oh, looks like there's no resources. Let's see if we can find one that has resources. There we go. We've got some accounting resources here. So for example, this Accounting, Business Studies, and Economics Dictionary. So these are all websites that tutors have found helpful. So you may want to, even if you don't talk to a tutor, you can pop in and look at the resources, and maybe that can help you with your work. If you have any questions about e-tutoring, how it works, or how to access it beyond this video, please feel free to send me an email. That's nhays@olympic.edu. You can also email, if you're struggling, you're having technical difficulties, you can email the e-tutoring site directly as well. Thank you.